welcome. Greetings from C-Cube Academy, Chandigarh. In this video, we will examine the ways in which conjunctions if and whether should be used, as well as examples of how to use them in sentences. So let's get right to it. If and whether are conjunctions, which are words that connect two or more sentences, clauses, or parts of clauses. Sometimes if and whether are interchangeable, especially when you're using informal language. But sometimes using one or the other will change the meaning of your sentence. Whether and if can be used interchangeably when reporting yes or no questions. For example, I am unsure whether I will be attending the congregation, or I am unsure if I will be attending the congregation. Now, in this example, the yes or no question is, am I attending the congregation? Now, another similar example is, Zelda wondered whether she had unplugged the charger, or Zelda wondered if she had unplugged the charger. Now, in this example, the yes or no question is, did Zelda unplug the charger? In such cases, both whether and if can be used. The formal rule is to use if when you have a conditional sentence and whether when you're showing that two alternatives are possible. Let's talk about the cases where only whether can be used. The first one is when followed by an infinitive. For example, I don't know whether to go to the wedding or not. Now take note, whether must always be used when it precedes an infinitive with the word to. For example, have you decided whether to go to school? Secondly, the conjunction whether must be used when there are two alternatives or a choice, or to present two alternatives, neither of which is a condition. For example, I don't know whether she prefers roses or sunflowers. Thirdly, the conjunction whether is also used after a preposition. For example, we need to talk about whether to move house. Now the word about is a preposition. Also, the conjunction whether is used when followed directly by or not. For example, whether or not you like it, you will have to work on this project. Lastly, another thing, we can use or not immediately after whether or at the end of the sentence. For example, I don't know whether she will recognize me or not. Now let's talk about if. We use if to introduce a condition. Remember, only if can be used in conditional sentences. For example, if you help me, I'll pay you $100. Or, I'll come to your fundraiser if you invite me. That's about it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Contact C-Cube Academy in order to join our online and offline batches for IELTS, Spoken English and PTE. Thank you and have a nice day. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.